So you've done your research and you're ready to go online and buy your shoes. Now if you type in shoes on Google and hit enter, you're going to come up with a lot of different sites that are going to want to sell you shoes. How do you know which ones you can trust? Well, you can do quite a bit of research, but I bet you there are a lot of you out there that just want to know the name of a few good sites that have already been researched and have been tested and trusted throughout time. A very popular site online for shoes is Zappos.com, Zappos.com. They're great because you can go in and you can search by style, size, you can search by even your shoe width you can choose, and it'll show you what shoes will be within your width. Another famous site is Famous Footwear. They're another good site for going online, finding whatever shoes you need, and they're very good about bargains and having clearances very well marked. Zappos often focuses on designer brands and a bit higher end because of course they want to sell the higher profit products as much as they can. Here at Famous Footwear, they just want to sell you some shoes. Of course, they also have retail sites that you can go to, just like many of your favorite retailers will have websites you can go to purchase shoes, such as Payless and Nordstrom on the other end of the spectrum. Let's say you want something a bit more open to various brands. Shoes.com, the most aptly named site for buying shoes on the internet, has nearly anything you could want. Then you have something like Gotham City Online that focuses on much more designer shoes and boots for men and women. They're a great place to go if you want something hip and trendy.